Believe it or not, but electromagnets are actually the thing that attracts metal and other dangerous materials out of food for most farm animals when eaten by mistake. An electromagnet is a type of magnet in which the magnetic field is produced by an electric current. The biggest use for electromagnets are in farming, just like I said. But what exactly are electromagnets and what will you need to make one? Well, you will need one iron nail, this iron nail right here, one copper wire, I have the copper wire all the way around here, one magnet which is optional, but if you do have one, you can use it to compare to your electromagnet, one alkaline battery, and some metal objects. I've got here a bunch of these paper clips. So, what you start by doing is putting on your safety gloves. Safety first. So, take your time, get them on all the way. So, what start by doing, taking your iron nail and your copper wire, and then you will take these two tips, and they should be curled so they can go around your alkaline battery. So take the two ends, make sure they're tightly put on these two tips. Might take some time because it's a very tedious process. Once it starts to heat up, then you know that it's going to work. So, as you can see, the electromagnet is acting just like a magnet. What I want to show you is that the electric charge is still inside of this nail, but it will wear off after a little bit of time. So after you're done with your experiment, you can take off your gloves. So, in conclusion, this version of the electromagnet was based off of Maxwell's theory of electromagnetism, where electromagnets are made of coils of wire with electricity passing through them. Moving charges create magnetic fields, so when the coil of wire in an electromagnet have an electric current passing through them, the coils behave just like a magnet, as we saw there. Some examples of electromagnets in action are in the speakers, in power transformers, also included in generators, hard drives, and MRI machines, and lastly, in the magnetic train. Now that explains electromagnets and its uses in our lives. I'm Di.